Hello, children. Do you know this bird? Let's find out together. Children, have you seen the gorgeous little bird called the Oriental Dwarf Kingfisher? Look closely. You might spot it perched on the tree branch. It is also known as the jewel of the sky. This bird is very colorful with orange, purple, yellow, bright blue and black feathers. It's one of the smallest kingfishers, measuring only 14 to 21 centimeter. Let's share some interesting facts about Oriental Dwarf Kingfisher. These birds has only 3 toes on their each foot and they prefer living near water bodies like pond or river stream covered with canopy trees. They feed on small insects, spiders, butterflies, worms, frogs, geckos, lizards, crabs, etc. Means these birds are carnivorous birds. Male and female Oriental Dwarf Kingfisher birds look very similar, but if you closely observe, you can find some differences. Let's find out those differences. Look at the left bird. It is the male Oriental Dwarf Kingfisher. Its head is purple in color and upper part of the wings are bright blue. Whereas the right one is a female bird. Its head is rufous in color and wings are more blackish. Female birds are little bigger than male birds. Oriental dwarf kingfisher build their nests in underground tunnels on the river bank that leads to an inclined egg chamber. Female birds lay a clutch of white glossy 4 to 5 eggs during breeding season. Look, a dwarf kingfisher entering its nest on the river bank. Look, children, how the bird catches the crab and takes it to its nest. It must be for its newly hatched chicks. Can we find this beautiful bird in India? Yes, Oriental dwarf kingfishers are the resident bird of southwest India, found in the rainforest of the Western Ghats. They are the summer visitors in East Himalayan foothills and Northeast Indian subcontinent. During monsoon, they arrive in the region of farthest southwest India for their breeding. Apart from India, these birds also found in Bangladesh, China, Bhutan, Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Malaysia, Myanmar, Philippines, Singapore, Sri Lanka and Vietnam. Please visit my channel at Nature Kids and find more videos on our common flora and fauna. Share with your kids and friends. The only purpose of this channel is to introduce our kids with all this nature wonder. If you like my work, let me know by your likes, and your support and love will fulfill the purpose of this channel. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned some interesting facts about a new bird today. Till then, bye bye.